pay attention, it's Maths Mansion, the game show where you get to test your maths ability. Feel the tension in Maths Mansion. Let's see how good at learning maths these kids are gonna be. If they want out, then they must earn it. There's no leaving till they learn it. The only way of getting out is mathematically. Yes, Maths Mansion, a lovely place to be.
A lovely place to leave.
You can leave, just as soon as you've learnt your maths. Till then, you stay. No leaving without learning. Well, don't waste any time. Let's see who's going to earn their exit from Maths Mansion.
I'm Amber Charles from East London. I'm Ryland Thompson from Epsom.
OK, Amber Charles, let's see how you fare in this warm-up. And what do you know about fractions and decimals, Ryland Thompson?
Not a lot.
Not a lot? Well, you're going to need to. Let's put a decimal in the weighing scales. 0.1. What are you going to put in the right-hand pan to match it? What's the fraction that's equivalent to 0.1? Go for it.
1/10.
Correct. You do know something about decimals and fractions, after all. OK, Amber Charles, let's see how you get on with this test. What fraction is the equivalent of 0.7?
7/10.
It's too easy. Look at that. And now, oh no. Stop watching this programme. Switch off. You'll be sick.
Now, do you know what makes the decimal very happy? No, not biting. Ooh. What makes the decimal very happy is that every decimal has got a little friend. Yes. For every decimal, there's a fraction that's exactly the same.
Of the fraction called 1/10, 0.1 is very fun. And I'm the lovely 2/10. 0.2's completely gone. I know. 0.3 makes no pretense. It's very plain he loves 3/10. And 0.4 would suffer torments without the lovely 4/10. Oh, that magical attraction just helps them to relate. For each decimal there is a fraction. Each decimal has a mate.
0.5 is lost without 5/10. They're very special friends.
And 0.6 is always like 6/10. Their love will never end.
0.7 and 7/10 have a love that's oh so fine.
And 0.8 adores 8/10. And 9/10 loves 0.9. Oh, that magical attraction just helps them to relate. For each decimal there is a fraction. Each decimal has a mate. Yeah! Repulsive, but true. Every decimal has an equivalent fraction. Doesn't it, Ryland Thompson?
Suppose.
Suppose? Of course it does. Well, what's the equivalent of this one, then? In the left-hand pan, we've got 0.08. Match it up in the right-hand pan with a fraction. Yes, he's done it. 0.08 is another way of saying 8/100ths. What about this one, Amber Charles? 0.27 in the left-hand pan. Yes, 0.27 is another way of saying 27/100ths. But how many people would know that?
Fraction aid. Excuse me, young sir. Action for fractions. Would you like some money? Action for fractions, sir. Action for fractions. Would you like to take generously? Excuse me, sir. I wonder if you could help me. Action for Fractions Week. We're very different from other charities. We actually give you the money, sir. Action for fractions, madam. Could you spare 2 seconds? Oh, this is very important work that we're doing here. All you have to do is tell me what 37/100ths of a pound is, and you can have the money.
I haven't got a clue. Wait, 0001?
All you have to do is... No, we don't want your money, sir. All you have to do is work out what 37/100ths of a pound is, and then you can take the money. 1/100th of a pound is...
1p.
So what's 37/100th of a pound?
I'm not that clever.
So 37/100ths is...
37p.
Oh, you're so clever.
£1 divided by 100 times what? 37.
You're very good at this.
37 pence.
You're very bright. 37p is yours.
7.
Well done. You may have the money, sir.
That's okay.
No, please.
No, honestly.
Nice. He doesn't want 37p. Quite most whiffed. Action for fractions. Are you ready for the test? Because the test is ready for you. Take a look at the screen. OK, now, all 3 bungee ropes are stretched the same because the amounts are the same. OK, clear the ropes. The question is, will you be able to keep the ropes the same length? Clock's ticking. Go! First to jump, 60/100ths of a pound. So what matches 60/100ths of a pound? He's going for 0.60 pounds. And 60p. He's got it right. But there's more to do. There's more to do. OK, here we go again. Put £1.50 on the middle rope. £1.50, 1.50 pounds. Now match those ropes. She's going for 150p on the right-hand rope. But what's going on in the left-hand rope? Come on! She's going for... Oh, the gong's bonged and we have 1 500ths of a pound on the left-hand rope. Is that balanced? No. The right answer is...
1 50/100th.
Yes, but too late. Which means you miss out on your prize this week. So, no fractions and decimal card for you. Could you get one? Have a listen to this and see if you could. Right. How much money is 0.2 out of a pound? And what fraction is it? 0.2 pounds. How much cash and what fraction out of a pound is it? And remember... Pay attention, it's Maths Mansion, the game show where you get to test your maths ability. Feel the tension in Maths Mansion. Let's see how good at learning maths these kids are gonna be. If they want out, then they must earn it. There's no leaving till they learn it. The only way of getting out is mathematically. Now look, will you stop biting me if I give you 50/100ths of a pound? 60/100ths? 70 is my final offer.
They would make the largest home for wildlife in the country